What's up guys, welcome to another video of Shakima at home. And today is Sunday and we're home cooking up a storm. So as you can see right here, so I'm making some banana bread because banana bread is my favorite thing to bake. I love baking it, and it's Sunday also. We're making some macaroni, some baked macaroni pie also, because the kid requests that. We're frying up some Jamaica fried chicken right there. So look how pretty and golden my chicken them look inside the pot. Yes, Jamaican thing, Jamaican style, our ways, done like a Jamaican pro. So I'm gonna make some juice. I'm gonna make some carrot juice. So as you can see, me boil my carrot already. Me have some supper joint, some Guinness, some vanilla, some sweet condensed milk, some nutmeg, some cinnamon, some vanilla. And you know the thing set up with the Jamaican juice. So we just gonna blend it up right about now. And after we blend it up, we're gonna just add we Guinness to it, add the mixtures to it, everything, pour everything in one jug. And you're gonna just mix up that. Yes, pour the Guinness, pour the supper gen, pour every liquid you can find inside your juice, you know, to combine it together to make it taste like the real strong back Jamaican juice them. Because a Sunday, you know, and on Sunday you have to have some type of juice like this inside your house, because from growing up that's how we see our grandmother doing it. So we just continue the tradition. You see me? So right about now we add some sweet condensed milk to it, and we're gonna get one big spoon, because this is a jug, and we're just going to mix it up. Mix up everything together. Look, me add some nutmeg inside it, some cinnamon. Yeah, you don't know. Spice it up, make it taste good, flavor it up. Because we Jamaican, this is how we do it. This is how we roll. Yeah, pinch a little bit of salt inside it, and then mix it up, and then you're just going to pour them out inside a jug, and you're good to go. You just need some ice, you know, and after you get some ice, that's it. You don't need nothing more. So right over here, so now we're just cut up some red pepper, some green peppers, you know, to saute down, because we're cooking Sunday dinner also. So as you can see, we did already start frying up the chicken. So now we're doing this vegetable. So we just going to cut up some carrot, and we're going to boil some broccoli and carrot for each side. Because a Sunday, you know, the vibes in the house stand up. So normally we'll play some Jamaican Barris Aman, and me and Felix just, you know, dance and listen to music, and just having fun with your kids, creating memories where you can go back and look at and see, you know. That's how we roll on a Sunday. This is what me and my mommy used to do. Yes, love this little boy so much. Blessing. And then we cook some gungo rice and peas inside of the rice cooker. You don't know. Look, on the fried chicken is ready. And right here, so we are going to make some sauce. You see the sauce? Yes. Fried chicken sauce. And look on my banana bread. Just take them out of the oven. Come out hot, looking good, delicious. Yes, my number one selling banana bread. Yes. So anyway, look over here. So the carrot I boil, and now I'm gonna add the broccoli inside it, because you know we're not gonna cook it too much, you know. As soon as the water boil over the broccoli, that's it for me. And the macaroni pie, we just dry your tight oven or pull your tight oven, then we're gonna plate ourselves up a plate. So upon this plate you can see we have some broccoli, some carrot, some cabbage there, so with some grapes, some strawberry, macaroni pie, and fried chicken. You don't know.